Hi students, so I am recording your answers so that you can see how we did, and then I'm going to send pictures that show you what I wrote as well. So how are leatherback turtle shells different from those of other turtles? And like I showed you earlier, they're all right, it's all right here. So you're going to have to underline or annotate this and then put it into your sentences. So it tells you right at the beginning that this paragraph is going to be about their shells, right? So unlike most turtles who have a hard bony shell, leatherback turtle shells are soft and feel more like rubber. And that is your answer to that question. So let me go to my mouse and move it up. How are leatherback turtle shells different from those of other turtles? So I'm going to go to what I wrote, and you'll see this when I send a picture. I wrote, leatherback shells are soft and feel like rubber. However, other turtles have hard bony shells. Next question. What special adaptations do leatherback turtles have? Well, they have several adaptations, but it does talk about a special adaptation. Right, I'm going to do a different color. Right here, their special adaptation, it allows them to stay warm in cold water. And this is important because that determines where they can go. So they can make their own body heat. Because of this special ability, they are found all over the world, even in the coldest waters near Canada and Norway. So I'll read to you what I wrote, and then you'll see it in my picture. That I probably will only be able to post that to Google Classroom. But it says that leatherback's special adaptations are their ability to stay warm in cold water. This allows them to migrate to colder waters in Canada and Norway and all over the world. Next question, why are leatherback turtles endangered? So I'm going to use a different color. Humans are the biggest threat to these turtles. Okay, they are endangered because humans eat the eggs. Turtles are trapped in fishing nets. These turtles are also eat floating trash because it looks like jellyfish. So they're often found dead with plastic in their bellies. Scientists all around the world are helping to protect these turtles. So they're becoming endangered because of things that humans are doing. They eat their eggs. They get them trapped accidentally. They don't intentionally trap them in nets. They accidentally get trapped. And then they eat the trash that is in the ocean. So those three things are the biggest reasons why turtlebacks are endangered. And if you go to the last question, what is one thing humans could do to protect leatherback turtles? Now I'm going to give you what I wrote. You can write something different. This is your opinion. But based on what I read, I wrote, one thing humans could do to protect these turtles is to prevent trash and garbage from getting into the turtles' habitat. Okay, so that's what I wrote for that, and I'll record. Actually, I'll go right into your writing because I didn't do a writing, but I did set it up. So right here, I want you to describe the beginning part. Describe, where is it? Describe what you would paint. So what, this is the what would you paint? Okay, pay attention to the word describe. Okay, why, oops, that should be what, not why. The why is later. My brain was thinking ahead. So what would you paint? And then this is another what. What would it look like? What design is it? What colors does it have? What else did I write? I'm going to read you what I wrote. So I put in parentheses, what colors does it have? What pattern and what design? So that's going to go there. And then at the end, bottom few paragraphs, explain to me why. So this is the why. Why did you choose to paint that? Why did you paint that design? Why did you use the colors? Why did you come up with that idea? So you can write a full page explaining and describing what you painted, what it looks like, and why you painted it. Okay, so I'm going to stop here, post this, and then I'll go on to the math correction.